Hello guys, my name is Pravya and welcome to our channel. So in this video we can going to discuss if you guys want to exclude your internal traffic. Suppose that if you are working in office or somewhere outside and where are many people can scrolling your website. So this is internal traffic. Suppose that mostly person can scrolling the website from the office. So this is a not actual traffic. So if you want to exclude that kind of traffic, so how you guys will do? So simply we can do these things with the help of Google Analytics. There is a internally option to you guys have to exclude your internal traffic. So this is my Google Analytics dashboard, and I can show you guys. Right now I'm on my website, so where I'm scrolling, and you guys will see there is indicating the traffic from the India. So how you guys will exclude your internal traffic? So you guys will see there is a admin button. You guys have to click over there. Then after that you guys can see this is GA4 dashboard. So there you guys can see there is a data stream button. You guys have to click over there. Then after that you guys can select your website, and there is you guys can see after the scrolling you guys have to scroll something. There you guys will see configure tag setting. You guys have to click over there. And after that you guys will redirect on that interface. So there you guys can click for the show more button, and after that you guys will see there is a button define internal traffic. You guys have to click over there, and there you guys will create your internal traffic. So you guys will simply go with a create button option. So there you guys can add you guys have to choose your rule name. So simply you guys can whatever you guys want, you guys have to choose your name. So simply I'm just using internal traffic. And these things you guys have to make it keep it as it is. Then after that you guys will see there is match type. So in the match type section you guys have to choose IP addresses equals. There you guys have to choose add your IP address. So there is an option what is my IP address. So there you guys have to click now, and you guys will see simply this is your IP address. But there is something happening. So I can go with NordVPN. So there we can yeah, so this is our actual IP address. So simply you guys have to add it over there. And after that if you want to exclude another IP addresses, so you guys have to add from the add collection section. And after that you guys have to click for the create button. So the your you have indicate Google to this is my internal traffic. This IP addresses is my internal traffic. Okay, then after that you guys have to do one things. We can go back, and after that you guys will see there is a data filter button. You guys have to click over there, and you guys can see there is by default one data stream will be created, internal traffic exclude, and this is a testing phase. So simply if you want to create a new, so you guys will go with a create section. So there is a two option developer traffic and the internal traffic. So you guys have to choose your whatever you want. You guys want to choose your developer traffic or the internal traffic. So if you have a developer team on your office, so you guys have to go with a developer traffic. Otherwise you guys can use internal traffic. So there you guys can click for the choose button, and in the data filters name you guys have to simply add your traffic name. So there I can use internal traffic. Then after that you guys have to choose exclude option, and you guys will see there is these things you guys have to data filter name must be unique. Actually we have used some previously, so that's why. And after that you guys can see there is a three option: testing phase, active phase, and the inactive. So if you want to exclude your internal traffic, so simply you guys can go with active option. So there you guys can choose your active option. Then after that you guys can click for the create button. We have already created. Actually the Google Analytics tool can already by default created these things. So simply there is a activate button. You guys have to click for the activate filter. So the main thing, your internal traffic, it should be going to excluded on the Google GA4. So simply you guys can go with home page section, and we can identify the Google Analytics can excluded started excluding internal traffic or not. So simply we can go with a debug section. There is a debug option, so simply we can click over there. Then after that we can we can reopen our website. Then we can try to see, and then you guys will see there is no any option for the in the debugging section. We are not the traffic are not fluctuating now over there, so it's a working. So this is the method. So you guys have to exclude your office internal traffic. Okay, so okay, yeah. So bye bye and take care.